how to make birthday invitation cards online for free. In this tutorial we will use Canva website. It's a free website to create some graphics, for example birthday invitation cards. If you don't have Canva account yet, you will find the link in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click in the link. It will take you to canva.com and then create your account. You can use it, for example, by connecting your Gmail account. Once you log into Canva, all you have to do is choose from those tabs over here, go to templates, and then under personal you will have to choose invitation. Once we go to invitation templates, if we scroll down over here, we have different categories, for example graduation invitation, baby shower, party or birthday. So since we're going to create birthday invitation card, we will click on birthday. And then when we scroll down here, we've got some categories like first birthday, 21st, baby, 18th, 50th, 60th, etc. You can click on one of those if, for example, you're creating a card for a 1-year-old. Or if your category is not here or you simply don't want to choose any of these categories, you can choose some of the birthday card templates over here. And then after you choose one, I'll show you how to customize it to your own needs. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of birthday card templates over here. You can choose any template that you like. Let's say I'm just going to choose this one over here, so I would click on it. And once we click on it, we can see the preview of this, and we have to click on use this template. Right now Canva Editor is opening, and once it opens we will see something like this. So here of course we can change the colors if you want, any colors you want. So all we have to do to change the colors is to click, for example, on the background, and then we can click over here on the color and we can adjust the color to our needs. For example, if we want it to be red, we would change it to red, black or any other color. The same thing goes to this color over here in front, so we can just click on this color here and then change it to anything we want. It can be green, it can be blue or anything else. Let me leave it yellow for now. And then once we click over here, we will be able to change the text. So here is have a roaring good time. So I'm going to change it, for example, to we would like to invite you to, and then what are we inviting to? For example, Sam's Dino birthday party. And then you would of course type where is the birthday party down here. So you can type in the address and the time and the date, and then the call number where to call in order to confirm that you're going to attend the party. Now let's say, as I called it Dino Party, so we want to replace this lion with a dinosaur. So all we have to do is find a dinosaur by going over here to elements, and then after we go to elements, up here we can search for icons and shapes. So for example I would type dino. And once we type dino or dinosaur, we will see some dinosaur icons. And very important thing over here, if we scroll over a dinosaur and we see free, that means this element is free. If you scroll over and it's pro, that means it's paid element, so if you use it you'll have to pay a small fee, for example $1. So if you want to choose and create your card only for free, make sure you choose free elements. You can simply do that by clicking over here and then choosing in availability, free, apply filters, and now you see only free elements. So over here you can choose whichever dinosaurs you like. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. We can of course move it to any place we want, and we can also change the colors of this dinosaur over here. So as you can see, we can change this one, for example, to black, and as you can see the color changed to black. If I click on blue, it's blue. Pink would be pink, etc, etc. So just choose whichever color you like the most. You can also change the color of the dinosaur itself. And of course, if you want to have more colors, all you have to do is click here for new color, and then you can adjust to get more colors over here by simply dragging this to whatever position you want. So let's say my dinosaur will look like this, and of course we can also adjust the background over here. Let's say we don't want this element over here, so we would delete it. and then we can choose a different background. In order to do that, we can, for example, go down here to backgrounds, and then over here we can type in what we're looking for, or we can choose one of the backgrounds that are available here. All we have to do is click on it, and as you can see, it's already been changed right after we click on it. And so as you can see, it's being changed as soon as I click on it. So you can choose one of these over here, or you can simply choose a solid color like we had before, for example yellow or black or any other color you want. And we can also go to elements, and then if we type in shape or something like this, it may find some interesting shapes for us that we will use to make it look better. So let's say you would like to have something like this, so we would choose this, clicking on it. We can simply resize it just like this, holding Alt key, and then once we do this, we right click and send to back. And as you can see, this was added and it looks like this, for example. So we can change the color of this, for example to black, and it will look like this. This is of course only example. I'm going to delete it, and let's choose something else. So over here, let's say I want to choose this one over here, so I click on it, I drag it to the left top corner, I resize it just like this, and then I right click and send to back. And as we can see, my dinosaur is green and this is green, so we're going to change it. Let's say I want the top to be yellow, and maybe I'll change the background color. Maybe let's make it yellow and black. And this text is not perfectly visible, so we would click on it, double click, select the text, and then we can change the font over here, the size of the font. Let's make it 10 maybe, and maybe let's change the color to something that will be a little bit more visible. Maybe white color would do it, and we can add some effects over here, maybe with this effect over here. And now the text is a little bit more visible, and our card is almost ready. Of course you can change the colors of any part of the text you want. All you have to do is click on the text, and then here you have changing the color, changing the size, and changing the font over here. So this part is a little bit empty, so maybe let's add some balloons. So we would type here balloons or birthday. So let's type birthday over here, and let's see what will it find. As we can see, it finds some interesting things over here. Let's add this maybe. Once we add this, we can move it to the left bottom corner, maybe right click, and then send to back. Then maybe we want to also add something like this, so we would click on it, and we can move it, for example, to the left top corner. We can rotate it using this icon over here. So we rotate it, maybe like this, and we can add it over here maybe, just like this. And then we would add another one like this, and move it to the other side. And then over here we can also add, for example, balloon. So let's click on balloon over here, and then balloon is added. We can right click, send backward, because we just want to put it behind the dinosaur. And then maybe let's add another balloon next to this one. We'll change the colors in a moment. We will rotate it a little bit, one to the left, one to the right, just like this. Right click, send backward. We've got two balloons. Let's change the colors, maybe over here. One to red and maybe one to blue. And we can also change the colors of the string of the balloons. Maybe let's make it white. So we've got a dinosaur with balloons, and there is an empty space on the left side, and there is some empty space on the right side, so we can add something here as well if we want. So maybe let's copy this to the other side. So I would click on it, right click, choose copy, and then right click and paste. We have to allow. And then we can move it to the right side. And important thing, if we want to rotate it or flip it, we have to go over here, flip horizontal. We flipped it, and then we can place it in any position we want. Let's say I want it like this. Right click, send to back. And as we can see, our birthday card is already done and we can save it or print it. Canva allows you to print your cards, so if you want to print them and make the Canva send them to you, you can just click here and print them, or you can click on 3 dots over here. Then we click download. After we click download, we've got a few options. We can, for example, download it as PNG or JPEG. Those two are simply images, so if your birthday card will be sent, for example, through email, these two are the best options. However, if you want to print it and then give them in person, for example, or physical card, then I would suggest choosing PDF print over here and then click download. Because PDF print is perfect settings for printing of the cards, so once you click download, the download should start, as you can see. And let me save it as birthday. I click save. And right now our birthday card is being downloaded, and if I click over here, it should open and we'll see in the PDF how it's gonna look like. So as you can see right now, this is how my card looks like. So Sam's Dino birthday party, and this is how you can easily create a birthday card invitation online for free. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to create your own birthday cards, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!